In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a new trial license for Jira software. Let's dive right in and make sure you have all the tools you need set up correctly for your project management needs. To begin, we're going to start by logging into the Atlassian licensing portal. You'll want to open your web browser and head to my.atlassian.com. This is your gateway for all things Atlassian, where you manage your licenses and software needs. Make sure that you've got your account credentials handy because you'll be needing those to sign in and access the licensing details. Once you've successfully logged in, we're going to navigate to the Licenses tab. This is where you oversee all your current licenses and where we'll be starting the process of creating a new trial license. In the licenses section, you'll see an option for new trial license. Go ahead and select that. This will take you to the start of generating your new license. Now that you're set up to create a new trial license, you'll need to select Jira software from the list of Atlassian products. Jira is a vital tool for many teams, offering robust features for tracking and managing workflows. By choosing Jira software, you ensure you're gearing up with a platform that supports a variety of agile methodologies. Once you've chosen Jira, you'll then be prompted to select a license type. In our case, we're opting for Jira software with a focus on the data center option. This option is ideal for those working in high-demand environments that require substantial support and reliability. The next step involves filling out a form with specific information about your organization. Be prepared to provide details such as your organization's name, and if it's applicable, your server ID. This information is crucial as it helps Atlassian tailor the licensing to match your organization's requirements. With the form filled out, you're just a few clicks away from obtaining your new license. Review the terms of use, and when you're ready, click on Generate License. This step finalizes the process and the system will generate your unique license key. Take a moment here to make sure everything is accurately filled in, since it will ensure a smooth process. Finally, once your new trial license key is generated, you'll need to copy it. You're going to paste this key into your Jira instance's licensing section. This action activates your trial and gets you set up to explore Jira software's capabilities during your trial period. Remember, navigating through the licensing process can seem a bit daunting at first, but by following these steps, you're smoothly setting up your Jira environment to start managing your projects effectively. I hope this guide was helpful, and don't forget to stay tuned for more insightful tutorials on how you can maximize your use of Jira software.